Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great episode of Garage Talk here at the GOA Studios in El Mirage, Arizona. Now, today we are going to be talking about the Breakfree Smart Brake Light. I've seen this on YouTube over the last couple years. Being a motorcycle rider now, or coming back to motorcycle riding, I'm always trying to figure out how to be safer on the road, be more visible on the road. So I finally purchased this several weeks back, and of course, my schedule is absolutely crazy. Haven't had a chance to do the unboxing video, and I really haven't had a chance to test this out to give you that quick review. Hey, I've been using it for a few weeks, and this is what I think. Here are my thoughts, my initial thoughts, and here's some footage from the road. So today we're just going to do a quick unboxing video. We're going to go over some of the specs. This is the Gen 2. Okay, second generation. From what I've read and from other reviews that I've seen, there have been some nice additions, what I refer to as the creature comforts, as far as that, to make things a little bit easier. So let's go ahead, and get into it. As we can see, it's made by Breakfree. And we open it up. Of course, we have the packing foam. I love this. We got a quick start guide right away. And I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to scoot this down. Read the quick start guide. Okay, very, very specific, which a lot of people forget to do. And then they run into issues. But we have our quick start guide. We have our template, which is great. And of course, again, it's very explicit. Please read the quick start guide. So here's your template, and this is what you're going to use to help you mount the mounts to the helmet and make sure the placement is not only aligned and level, but where it needs to be on your helmet. So we have the light itself, which we'll get to. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And it comes with two mounts. Little alcohol swabby here, you could see. Haven't even opened up the packaging. Now I have charged the light, but that's, to show you how it works, initial demonstration, I had to. And you get a USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, from what I understand, the original one was micro USB. It's 2025. I'm glad that they have upgraded it to full USB to USB-C. I think it's the standard. I think everything else should go away. My opinion's for another day as far as that goes. So let's go ahead and close that box. We'll set that right there. Now, when we talk about second generations of items, sometimes they hit, sometimes they miss. And from everything I've read, they took the time to listen to their customers' feedback and really did a good job of refining this iteration. Now, this is going to mount directly to the back of your helmet. It has a quick mount system, so you'll be able to mount this to various helmets just by using multiple clips. We have 100 lights packed into this tiny little package, which is amazing, and it really does make for a vibrant display when you are riding, so the drivers behind you will hopefully stop looking at their cell phones and see you while you're riding and while you're braking. And I'll give a quick demonstration of that here too. We can see it's USB-C, it's Gen 2. So this is quick charge, okay? And you can top this off in about an hour and a half, okay? Didn't take me that long to charge. And according to the literature, this is about 80% faster in charging than the previous generation, which, hey, if I could save time charging this, great. Now, this is available in white and black. I purchased the black one because that's my preference. And yes, I did purchase this with my own money. So you guys, even if I didn't, I would let you know, but you'll always get my honest opinion. But yes, I purchased this with my own money on Revzilla, and we'll get to that here in just a couple minutes. Now, the runtime is going to vary depending on what mode you have it in, how much you're riding, etc. So right now, what they are saying is the runtime is 8 to 12 hours, okay? Now, there's 3 different modes, and I'll go through those quickly here at the end so you can see. And depending on what mode, and obviously, if you're riding 3-4 hours a day, you're going to use up more battery time. If you're a casual rider, maybe you're riding 3-4 hours a week, the charge is going to last you a little longer. Now, I have a charging station in my garage. It's climate controlled, and I have a lot of different things that are essentially constantly charging on that station. So just taking this off my helmet and adding it to that charging station, every few days just to make sure it's topped off is not necessarily a big deal for me. Now, this does have a higher capacity battery. We have 3,200 milliamp hours, which is great. And, for a product like this, again, to have that type of runtime, to have that type of battery size in here, I think that's really, really great. So we have 3 light modes, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this on for you now. We got the button right there, which is nice. It's above the plastic, which I love. So we turn that on. It's going to come on. It's going to flash. This is indicating how much battery you have. And now you can see it pulsing there, right? So this is ride mode 1. And you can see it gets bright, the accelerometer in it. This is ride mode 2. Very stealth, very incognito. Again, that accelerometer, it gets bright. And this is ride mode 3, where these lights are constantly on, but again, it gets bright and then it goes dim, that accelerometer. So I will probably be riding in ride mode number 1 personally, but there's a little demonstration of the 3 ride modes. And then all you have to do is hold the button down and then that's going to turn off. Now, the weight itself is about 200 grams. And, when we do the official review, I'll go ahead and I'll throw it on the scale. So we'll get an official weight according to my scale. Doesn't mean it's spot on accurate, but at least you guys will get an idea if it's close or not. Now, it does have an IP65 weather resistance rating, which is nice. So you don't have to worry necessarily about the elements, the rain. If you happen to ride in snow, God bless you, you've got more guts than I do. This is going to handle those elements. Now, the price is $169. If you're on the fence on this, I would say go ahead and get it. I mean, Black Friday's coming up here in a month. If you can wait, if you've waited this long, maybe you'll get a better deal, 10% off or free shipping included, plus 10%, you never know. But for me, for safety, my life is definitely worth the $169. So I had no problem paying full price on this, not on sale. But your mileage will vary. I'm going to have a link down below for Revzilla. That's not an affiliate link, but it is a link that will take you to this so you can make your own decision on whether or not to purchase. So there you have it, my friends. This is the unboxing video, the quick unboxing video, and just showing you what comes in the box, the different modes and everything like that of the Breakfree Smart Brake Light. I'm really excited to get this on my helmets or get the mounts on my helmets and start using this. Now, I will be in Zion here in a couple days. I'm leaving and I'll be there for 8 days. I can't wait. I can't wait to show you all that footage. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. I wish I was taking the motorcycle with me. I don't have a trailer yet. I know. But I'll be going back next March, April, and I'm definitely taking the motorcycle with me then. So when I get back, we'll be doing a video on how to mount these properly to your helmet, okay? And we're gonna show you some footage on real world usage. I've already got the 360 selfie stick on the back of my bike. So we'll put the camera on there, get it going so you guys can actually see this in action. So, all right, my friends, I love you to death. If you made it this far, thank you so much for your support. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon, helps out the channel, helps out the video. There's gonna be some links down below. Trek Bicycle Stores of West Phoenix is the most important link. I love Brandon. He's a great friend. Follow that link. Show those guys and gals some love. We also have Street Graphics. Sam and his son, Sammy, definitely keep me looking good with all their vinyl work that they do for me. Now, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the devil's work. We need it. It's our social media. Lets people know where we're at. We do group hikes. We do group rides. It's a lot of fun, my friends. So follow us there for day-to-day updates. Now, we do have the Amazon store. Okay, that link is prominent. If you follow that link and make a qualifying purchase for anything on Amazon, we receive a small commission. You're not charged anything additional. It helps us out with park money, gas money, and coffee money. It's the other trifecta we love so much here at Get Out Arizona. So follow that link. Show us a little bit of love. We'd really appreciate it. And at that point, my friends, the only thing left to say is, our tenets, and that is be kind to yourself and others, be amazing stewards on that trail, and we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, I love you to death. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you on that next adventure.